What do you see?
What is that?
That's the beer.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
Is that what you wanted for Christmas? Wait!
Wait.
I want you to look at your Darkmobile.
What goes in there?
This.
Is that what you wanted for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you
Look at me.
excited?
Look at me.
See.
Ooh.
If you can't come to the dock can come to you. If you're short or sick, we can get there quick in the Dockmobile. Dockmobile.
Look at me.
You want Daddy to open it today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna open it.
We'll open it later after you.
Let me see. Look at me.
Off we go. If you're short or sick, we can get there quick in the Dockmobile. Dockmobile. Doc McStuffins Mobile Clinic is now open for checkups.
That's the beer.
If you're short or sick,
So,
we can get
did you
there
keep
quick
asking for
in
that
the
for Christmas?
Dockmobile. If you can't come to the dock,
Okay, you can open what's in your stocking. In your stocking.
Right here, in front of you. Right
Well,
there.
it says your name. See what's in there.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around and face us.
Uh-oh.
Oh, did you want that too?
Let me see. I
You
can't.
need help?
Here, let me help you. Here, I was looking for it. Huh? Here.
Oh.
Ah, what is that? What is that?
Uh-oh.
You know what those are? Those are earrings.
Let me see. Is that what you wanted to?
Yeah.
Anything else in here? Oh, more earrings. Oh.
You wanna wear some today?
Wow.
Mallory, you want to wear some today?
I want to wear Cinderella.
Yeah.
I want to wear Cinderella.
Okay, we'll get them out in a second.
Look, you
What
got,
else did you get? Lip gloss
you
and a
got,
wand?
what is that? Is that for your lips? I want to
In
wear
your wand.
Tatiana. Oh.
There's your wand.
Look, that's the one you wanted. Frozen. All right, here.